Let's take a look at this popcorn tub. This is the Acto Pop and Serve tub. Movie theater butter flavor. Comes in this colorful packaging. It has no lid. That's how it comes. These are the instructions for microwave only, trans fat free, costs around 125 rupees or a $2 or so. Ingredients are a popping corn, 70% hydrogenated vegetable oil, add a salt, natural flavor of butter, table butter, and beta carotene. This has around 78 calories. So let's make some. You get a little bit more. So let's taste it. They are quite a bit buttery and so tasty. It's so easy to make them. Just put the tub into the microwave and follow the instructions. Really tasty and nice popcorn for your movie nights. Quite nice. Check it out.